Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm happy to have you here today. So I'm going to be sharing with you my recent Winter 2024 FabFitFun box. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's an annual subscription box. You can also be a seasonal member. I will link all the information below. This is not sponsored. I'm just really excited about my box and I love FabFitFun and I want to share it with you. So let's go ahead and just get into it. Okay, so this is my box. I should tell you that I only actually chose 3 of the categories this time. That does not mean I only got 3 products. I got a lot more than that. I have a giant box with add-ons and additional choices. So you can purchase additional choices in different categories for different prices. I think like the first category is like $17 and the second category is $16. Don't quote me on that. They change it all the time. But this time they changed it so you can actually opt for money instead of picking a category. If there's nothing that's really like interesting to you in that category, you can choose like a cash credit instead, and then you can use those to purchase add-ons or additional products in the other categories, which I'm really happy about because I always purchase additional items in certain categories. And there's always like at least one category that I'm kind of like, I don't really care about any of these things, but I'll pick the one that's the only one of interest or whatever. Anyway, I was happy I could do that this time. So let's go ahead and just get into it. First thing you'll actually find in the box is this little like scratch card for prizes. Last time I scratched it off and I actually got a $30 credit. So I also used that towards my additional items. That's why I got so many additional items. So I ended up only spending, I don't know, $50 or something in addition to my box. So don't sleep on this. Like actually scratch them off. You can win stuff. I have been like just throwing them away and like not really paying attention to them. And last time was the first time that I actually scratched it off and I won a $30 credit, which, you know, it's not the $3,000 prize pack, but it's still like $30. Like I can get 2 items with $30. So yeah, don't throw these away. So the first thing that I got was this Unhide blanket in the like emerald green, like deep wintry green kind of shade. I'm really excited about this. I have way too many blankets. I love blankets. I always pick a blanket when they have a blanket. Not always. Usually. Almost always. Like 90% of the time, if they have a blanket, I'm going to pick the blanket. So here it is in all its glory, unwrapped. Now this blanket is different than the ones they had in the past because it has that like hook and loop. So you can actually wear this as a cape, which is like super cozy and cool. So we have a loop and this little knot thing that you put the loop over and boom, you have got a cozy little cape sort of a thing. So I love that. That's super cozy. Now I am plus size, so this, you know, it doesn't like wrap all the way around, but I think that this would be great for Halloween. Like if you wanted to go as one of the Sanderson sisters or I don't know, a Game of Thrones thing or something, like it's a cape. It's kind of cool. So I'm really excited about that. Now I did also purchase the dark brown one. This was the other shade that they had because I just think that blankets are such a good thing to have on hand for Christmas gifts. And I actually have someone specifically in mind that I can give this to. So I went ahead and picked up an extra one for that. Okay, I also picked this thing up, but I'm not sure if it was category 1 or category 2. Hopefully it was category 1. But this was the Murad Targeted Wrinkle Corrector. Now this at Ulta, I think it's like $69 or something. It's really pricey. And I had thought about buying it actually before when they did like a 10 times points on Murad or something, but I didn't get it. And I'm really excited to have it in my box for whatever the additional price was, like $17 or something. This stuff is magical. I've actually already tested it out on my décolleté area. And I did like one side and then the other side I didn't. And it actually like really blurred out the wrinkles. Now, as far as long-term effects, I don't know because I've had it for like 3 days. But yeah, really exciting that I can actually make the wrinkles look like they're less. And also like later during the day, I can feel my décolleté area and it feels smoother than it normally does. So I'm really, really excited about this product. Okay, next item that I picked was the Greg Natale measuring cup or measuring bowl set. Whenever there's a home item, especially if it's in like my favorite color, I'm probably going to get that. And I was super excited about these. I don't know how, functional like a measuring bowl is, like versus a cup, because a cup has a handle. You need a handle when you're like scooping flour or whatever. But I thought that these were really cute and could be good for like measuring out your portions. Okay, aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these adorable little bowls, and they say, you know, how many cups in there. But like I said, I think these would be great for like portion control, like measuring out your portion sizes. You know, you can have like your little different snacks. I love the color. It's like this sage green that's kind of speckled like a robin's egg. They're so pretty. I'm going to use these all the time. Most of my favorite kitchen items are from FabFitFun. Okay, another thing that I picked from category 2 was this Hunter beanie. It's so soft and like comfortable, and it's not like the kind of material that's going to make you super hot. I mean, I don't think. Put it on. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. What do you think? Yes? I also bought another item from category 2, and that is this Barefoot Dreams scarf. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it's so soft and cozy. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love. Love it. Okay, and for category 3, I chose this Perricone MD Smoothing and Brightening Eye Cream. That is what it looks like. This is like a really interesting formula. I'm not really sure what to compare it to, but it's like it's a thick cream, but it's not like, it doesn't leave you feeling greasy or anything. It's like smoothing and firming. It smooths underneath your eyes. I'm 41, you know, and the wrinkles are never going to go away, but like this certainly helps. Like I can feel immediately that there is a difference using this eye cream. So I'm really excited that this was in the box, and you know, it's worth like $100, I think, and it's in the box. So really good deal. And like I said, I skipped categories 4, 5, and 6 and just used the money towards these additional items in categories 1 and 2. So that actually worked out so well for me. I was so happy that they did that this time. Okay, and I did have 2 items that were add-ons. I got these Karuna Collagen Hydrogel Neck and Décolleté masks. I'm so excited to use these. I'm so self-conscious about my décolleté and my neck. This area has been getting bad for 10 years, but like especially in the last couple of years, especially as I've gained weight. You know, I have extra chins now and extra neck fat, and like that makes the wrinkles even worse. So I don't know if this will help, but it's worth a shot. And it was only like $12, and this costs, like the retail value of this is a lot more expensive. And then the last thing that I picked up from the add-ons is this Get It Right Ultimate Flip. My like flippers are pretty old and gnarly, so I just wanted to get a new one, and this had pretty good reviews on Amazon. And on Amazon, it was not quite double the price, but close, so I got a good deal on the add-ons. So that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun box, and the add-ons, and the additional items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a FabFitFun subscription and what your favorite item was. I think my favorite item was probably the bowls, but I also really like the hat. Oh, and the eye cream. I like everything. So tell me what you liked, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.